In the world of electric vehicles, EVs, weight matters a lot. Heavier EVs consume more energy during acceleration, affecting their range. But fear not. Here's our 5-step plan for weight reduction. Number 1. Study and analyze. Scrutinize components, seeking weight-saving opportunities. Innovation is key. Number 2. Component optimization. Simplify, combine, and strengthen parts. Number 3. 3D modeling. Create sleek designs using CAD software. Number 4. Prototyping and testing. Rigorous tests ensure the changes hold up. Number 5. Refine. Tweak until perfection, aiming for optimal efficiency. Result: lighter EVs, cost savings, and victory laps.